In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from a photo in Pixlr. We'll go step by step so you can follow along. Even if you're completely new to Pixlr or to editing photos in general, by the end, you'll be able to cleanly remove unwanted text from your images, whether it's a watermark, a date stamp, or a bit of text that no longer fits your design. First, open your browser and go to the Pixlr website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor where you have access to all the tools we need. Click to open it. Next, you'll either select an existing image from your Pixlr library or upload a new one from your computer. Once you've chosen your photo, Pixlr will open it inside the main editor workspace. Take a moment to let everything load and make sure your image is fully visible in the center of the screen. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the editor. This is your Tools panel. Here, find and select the Heal tool. Its icon usually looks similar to a bandage or a healing symbol. After clicking the Heal tool, check the top bar of the editor. You'll see options for the method: Spot, Soft, or Object. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Object method. This mode analyzes the surrounding area and tries to intelligently fill in where the text used to be. Go ahead and select Object, then adjust the brush size. A slightly larger brush is useful for big text, while a smaller brush gives you more control around details and edges. Now, carefully paint over the text you want to remove. You don't need to be pixel perfect, but try to cover all of the letters. Once you've painted over the text, simply release your mouse. You'll see a progress bar appear at the top of the editor. This is Pixlr processing the changes and removing the text. Wait for the progress bar to finish. When it's done, you should see the text vanish and be replaced with content that matches the surrounding area. If you notice small leftover bits or imperfect spots, just go back over those areas with the Heal tool again until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've successfully removed text from your photo in Pixlr using the Heal tool with the Object method.